how to enable or disable RGB Only Mode on Devant Smart TV. Okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button. Here in menu, go to Settings. In Settings, go to Picture. In Picture, go to Picture Mode Settings. In Picture Mode Settings, scroll down and find the Expert Settings. Okay, go to this. In Expert Settings, below you can see the RGB Only Mode. And the RGB Only Mode is off. The RGB filter for adjustment and control of color space and color saturation. So, if you want to enable the RGB Only Mode, okay, you'll have to do is go to this and you can see here the option. So, if you want to enable, you can set into red, green, or blue. And if you want to turn off again or disable the RGB Only Mode, okay, select the off. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully enabled or disabled the RGB Only Mode on Devant Smart TV.